These collectibles are just my type. Hey everyone, Adrian Bustamante here with Collectors Cafe. One of the biggest stars in Hollywood is also an avid collector of typewriters. Academy Award-winning actor Tom Hanks has been collecting these antique writing instruments since 1978. He's rumored to own over 300 vintage typewriters and even keeps one by his bed for when the inspiration strikes. Want to feel like you're creating the next great American novel? He's got the perfect app for you. Hanks Writer captures the experience in perfect detail. Even sounds like a typewriter. Fleming. Ian Fleming is the man with the golden typewriter. The creator of the most iconic super spy, James Bond, bought himself a Royal Quiet Deluxe portable gold-plated typewriter after completing the first draft of Casino Royale. In 1995, the typewriter was auctioned at Christie's in London for almost $90,000 to an anonymous bidder. Cormac McCarthy gave us No Country for Old Men, The Road, and All the Pretty Horses. And he couldn't have done this without his light blue Latera 32 Olivetti manual machine. Rumor has it he bought the typewriter for just $50 back in 1963. McCarthy's typewriter became the most expensive in the world when it was sold for $254,500 at Christie's in 2009. You wouldn't want a backspace on these collectibles.